Rare images that'll make you say, damn, that's rare. This is Viola Brand, a German artistic cyclist showing off her skills. Theodore Roosevelt's heartbreaking diary entry for Valentine's Day, February 14, 1884, the day both his wife and his mother died. A Peruvian police officer wore a capybara costume to make an arrest in a drug probe. I wouldn't know whether to run or burst out laughing. South Korean researchers have found a way to reverse cancer cells to normal instead of killing them. They identified a molecular switch that, when targeted, can push cancer cells out of their malignant state. Early lab tests on colon cancer cells showed success, but it's still in the research phase. More testing, including clinical trials, is needed before it can become a real treatment. This could be huge. Someone made this super cool Transformers costume. This is Jacob's Well in Texas, an underwater cave with a swimming hole that still holds the unrecovered bodies of many people lost to it. This cat turned off because it thought its mother was holding it. A lock of Lucretia Borgia's hair. So this is crazy. This is how this UAE astronaut pours, slathers, and eats bread and honey while in space. Pericle Fazzini's The Resurrection is an 80 metric ton bronze sculpture displayed at the Vatican's Paul VI Audience Hall in Rome. It depicts Christ rising from a nuclear explosion amongst the twisted knots of dismembered hands and skulls. The first photo of a live medical operation in 1847 at Boston's Massachusetts General Hospital. Dango fish found in Japan. They are covered in tubercles, which give them their signature appearance and help defend them. They also help control sea lice by cleaning salmon as they swim. This blue lobster was caught off the coast of Portland and returned to the water to continue to grow. Blue lobsters are 1 in 2 million. Here are various phones that flip, twist, slide, and fold. If you grew up when these were around, then we should be besties. NASA found this perfectly cut, trillion-ton rectangular iceberg floating off of the Larsen C ice shelf in 2018. Get your tin-foiled hats out, guys. This storm-damaged tree was sculpted over a 4-month period in 2000 in Suffolk, England. A boy's reaction, staring at a TV screen for the first time, 1948. This antique van belongs to Clark Bedford, an artist turned art car enthusiast. It can get as low as -40 degrees Celsius in Finland during the winter. The trees get covered in so much snow on frost, it ends up looking like a landscape on another planet. A diver touching 2 continents between North America and Europe. Geologist Michel Siffre spent 2 months underground without any time cues to study how the body's internal clock adapts. He extended the experiment with others and found their bodies often shifted to a 48-hour cycle. In one case, someone even slept 34 hours straight. This is real footage of a Laysan rail, a flightless bird native to Hawaii that went extinct in the 1940s.